My name is Enes Hosgor. I'm a data scientist, engineer by training, entrepreneur by trade. I've been building AI products and companies the last 10 plus years. My first AI company was based on my PhD at Carnegie Mellon. It got acquired in late 2018, and then after I went on a quasi sabbatical, lasted only so long, I joined this medtech company to lead their AI transformation, only to step down ultimately with the conviction that there's got to be a better way to building medical AI products. So right now, my current venture is focusing on building the infrastructure to transform medical AI into a utility. And just like utility, medical AI must be trustworthy, reliable, predictable, and transparent. And for that, we need the appropriate compliant, environment and tools that connect all stakeholders. As a data scientist and a former chief data science officer of a medtech company, I had to work with different groups, and including quality assurance people, regulatory people, including leadership, including clinical medical affairs, including other data scientists, data engineers, etc. So long story short, medical AI is a multidisciplinary effort. It's a team sport. You cannot let data scientists do data science for other data scientists in a vacuum. That's a recipe for disaster. That being said, that's the only recipe we have had so far, just because these other stakeholders, non-data science stakeholders, are not coders, they're not Python experts. So therefore, we believe at GSIN in particular that there's going to be a no-code environment that is designed for this multidisciplinary, multi-stakeholder collaboration, not just for data science, but the subject matter experts, clinicians, as well as quality people, regulatory people, etc., such that the AI algorithms and AI products are fit for purpose, they're clinical grade, they're regulatory grade. That's a very common theme that we've been observing, and that's also what we've built our platform around. In other words, many of the data custodians, as we would call them, or health systems for the most part, they do not want to transfer data. They want to engage the industry, but they do not want to transfer data. So they invite industry players, medtech, biotech, pharma groups, to their own environment, such that they build and validate AI in their own environment within their firewall. That being said, that environment is not machine learning friendly. So our advice, our platform, in other words, is bringing those AI efforts to the data instead of expecting data to come to the AI models. But for that, you got to have that appropriate technology layer, which we have, developed as a company ourselves. Given the multi-stakeholder nature of medical AI, on one hand you have the health systems, the data, and then on the other hand you have the AI companies. Many of them are upstarts running on investor dollars. And then you have regulatory bodies, government agencies, definitely clinician groups, etc. So the chicken and the egg problem is definitely more prevalent in the medical AI world, just because of the multi-stakeholder nature of it. So if I had more funding, I definitely want to invest more in all these stakeholders to grease the wheels, so to say, such that they can work together with more resources, incentivize them appropriately with the appropriate tools, such that we can build personalized treatments for all.